Elastic vinyl repair tape is a great solution for quick repairs on your inflatables. It is clear, stretchy, elastic, and very adhesive. And the great thing about this tape is once you attach it to the inflatable, because it's clear, you can use it on any color. And because it's stretchy, it will stretch and bend with the moonwalk as you use it. This tear aid is great for patching small tears and holes and is a fantastic material to keep on hand for if you do on-site deliveries. If you have a surprise issue that comes up, this is a quick and easy fix that takes almost no time at all to use. We do also have videos showing you how to use this vinyl repair tape yourself. Another great thing about this tape, as compared to using something such as duct tape or Gorilla Tape, is that if down the road you decide that you want to permanently patch the area that you previously used tear aid on, when you remove the tear aid tape, it actually doesn't leave any residue behind. Whereas if you use duct tape, it would leave a lot of sticky, gooey residue that is almost impossible to get off and is very time consuming. So if you had an issue where you wanted to use this repair tape to fix it temporarily and then bring it to us later, it would actually save you a lot of money. Because if we just had to take off some tear aid that didn't have residue, we could quickly get to the root of the problem and fix the inflatable. But if you brought it to us covered in duct tape, it would actually cost you more money because it would take us more time to remove the duct tape residue to actually get to the problem and fix the inflatable. So not only is this tape a quick fix, but it will actually save you a lot of money in the long run. And you can get this tape in different sizes. You can get a 3-inch by 5-foot roll, and you can cut it to the amount that you need depending on the tear of the hole. You can cut little pieces out of it or long strips for larger tears, whatever you need it for. If 3 inches isn't wide enough, we do also sell a 6-inch by 5-foot roll as well, so that you can patch larger areas. If the tear does get too large, you do want to make sure to either hand stitch it first before covering it over with the tear aid or bringing it to someone to get professionally repaired. We do have videos showing you not only how to use the tear aid, but also how to hand stitch inflatables yourself. And this tear aid is a great addition to add on top of reinforced hand sewn areas to keep any air from leaking out of it.